How to represent rational number on number line? We are having two cases. Case 1 when numerator is less than denominator and case 2 where numerator is greater than denominator. Let's start the first case where numerator is less than denominator. We all are familiar with integers number line. Now always remember that when numerator is less than denominator, the fraction always lies between 0 and 1. Let's take example 2 by 9. As we can see, the denominator is 9. So divide number line from 0 to 1 into 9 equal parts. Now numerator is 2. So pick the second part of the number line and it is required 2 by 9. Now let's take one more example 4 by 7. As we can see that 4 is less than 7 or numerator is less than denominator. So it is clear to find that fraction 4 upon 7 will comes in between 0 and 1. Because the denominator is 7, so divide the line from 0 to 1 into 7 equal parts. Now look at the numerator which is 4. So pick the fourth part and 4 by 7 is the required answer. Now represent 5 by 6 on the number line. Again 5 is less than 6, so it will come in between 0 and 1 and divide the number line from 0 to 1 in 6 equal parts. Count the fifth one and 5 by 6 on the number line. Easily you can find the answer. I hope all the points are clear. अब चलो जल्दी जल्दी summarize कर लेते हैं. When numerator is less than denominator, always remember that fraction lies in between 0 and 1. 0 and 1 के बीच में divide करने हैं that part which is given in the denominator. अगर डिनोमिनेटर में 6 गिवन है तो 0 to 1 को 6 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दो. 9 गिवन है तो 9 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दो एंड देन पिक द न्यूमरेटर. जो भी न्यूमरेटर है उसको रिप्रेजेंट कर दो. दिस इज द इजी मेथड टू मेंटेन द इक्वल डिस्टेंस. यूज ग्राफ. एक भी नंबर नहीं कटेगा एंड यू विल गेट द फुल मार्क्स इन एग्जामिनेशन. Look at the first part of the question. One more question arises in your mind that are we able to proceed it from 7 by 7 to next level? Yes. 8 by 7, 9 by 7, 10 by 7, 11 by 7, 12 by 7, 13 by 7, 14 by 7 and so on. 14 by 7 आपको 2 मिलेगा if you cut it. But the next thing is that if I want to represent 27 by 7, तो क्या मुझे इतनी लंबी लाइन को आगे बढ़ाना है? नहीं. There is another way. I'll show you the second part now. Okay, let's start case number 2. Numerator always greater than the denominator, like 7 by 3, 51 by 4 and 161 by 5. In case number 1, हम जानते थे the given fraction comes in between only 0 and 1 and then we proceed the next steps. In this case also, first of all we have to find out where the given fraction lies. So let's start finding by using long division method. By dividing 7 by 3, clearly we get a mixed fraction which is 2, 1 upon 3. 2 जो है एक होल नंबर है एंड 1 upon 3 इज अ फ्रैक्शन. इसका मतलब 7 by 3 कम्स इन बिटवीन 2 and 3. नाउ 1 upon 3 को प्लेस करने के लिए आई हैव टू डिवाइड प्लेस इन बिटवीन 2 and 3 into 3 equal parts and take the first part because it is the numerator. So to 1 upon 3 we can easily mark. Let's take 51 upon 4. By long division method, I can get the mixed fraction 12, 3 upon 4. Now 12 is the whole number which clearly indicates that 51 upon 4 comes in between 12 and 13. Now take care of 3 by 4 only. 4 indicates that I have to divide space in between 12 and 13 into 4 equal parts and take the third one, which is 12 3 by 4. It's so simple now. Let's take one more example, 161 upon 5. By long division method, I can easily change it in mixed fraction. And my mixed fraction is 32 1 upon 5. 32 indicates me that 161 upon 5 comes in between 32 and 33. Now divide the distance from 32 to 33 into 5 equal parts. And which one part you will pick? Definitely the first one, because the numerator is 1. So clearly we can indicate all these positions on the number line. For maintaining the equal gap, student can use graph also. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.